Ladies' Night is back. Join us this March 27th at PaulB Hardware in Mechanicsburg. Come enjoy a night out on your own, or gather your crew for a fun-filled evening. Get a custom caricature drawing, participate in hands-on hardware demos, create unique art, and register for a chance to win exciting door prizes, plus so much more. This year, we're building this custom squirrel feeder. Just show up ready for a good time. We'll provide all the supplies, tools, and assistance.
Excuse me, did you say that squirrel feeder is free?
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. This is actually just what Jimmy needed. Is that right, Jimmy?
Anyways, the best part of all of this is there's no admission charge and every activity is completely free. For more information, head over to paulbhardware.com. We'll see you there.